Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to change the rear tail lights of a 90s body Ford. Specifically, we're going to change a 96 F250. Going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, new rear tail lights, covers. There's two screws, upper and lower one. I always do the lower one first. Now that you got two screws on the outside, there's going to be two screws on the inside. You got one screw there and one screw there. And now that you have all four screws off, it should come right out. And you'll see over here, you have your two lights. You have your brake light, and you have your running light. So disconnect them, you twist them, and they should pop right out. Mine are a little dusty, so I'll clean them off before I reassemble. I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol because it's better for the electronics. Clear section on the bottom for your brake, for your reverse light. Now your running brake light and your stopping brake light. Pop right in place. Leave it a little bit loose. Don't tighten it all the way. Alright, now the inside ones. Now it's time to tighten up the outside. That's it. Now we gotta jump over and do the other side. Two on the outside, two on the inside. Take them off. Same thing, disconnect the bulbs. Reverse light on bottom. That's how you change the taillights on a 96 Ford F250.